Hi, Lalini. How are you? I'm fine. You? I'm good. What happened? I'm hungry. I have snacks. Oh, snacks. It's me, carrot. I'm orange in color. I am rich in vitamin A. I'm rich in vitamin A. I keep your eyes bright. I'm better than potato chips for your health. Please, eat me and stay healthy. Come on. Eat me and stay healthy. I'm brilliant student. Do you know who am I? Yes, you are correct. I'm your favorite vegetable potato. I am tastier than all of them. But when I'm fried in oil, I am not good for your health. Keep it in your mind. Okay, bye. Dear children, you can eat me too. I am the juicy cucumber. I keep your body cool. Why are you waiting? Come on, children. I'm ready to eat. Hi, dear. I'm spinach. You never eat me. You know I'm good for your head, but you are only avoid me. If you eat me, you will become strong. Never forget to eat me, children. Bye. Hi, guys. Don't you forget that we are kids. We make tidy, but we do lot of energy. Come on, guys. Come and eat us. Ha ha ha. Hi, hello everyone. How are you? I'm the favorite cauliflower. I'm good for your health and fitness. Eat me a lot. See you. Bye. Or the lady's finger. If you eat that, you will become clever like me. Ha ha ha. We are waiting for you. Come soon. Hi friends. Drumstick, don't you want your bones to be strong? Then you must eat me. My name is Drumstick. Eat me a lot and stay healthy.